Hey guys, what's up, what's up, what's up? It's another beautiful Saturday and we are doing our thing as usual. But this time, this Saturday, it is really different. It's not just myself and Mr. Myers. It is myself, Mr. Myers, and Little Miss I. And we are taking him to the water slide. He calls it the water slide.
No, I don't call it the water park.
Oh, the water park. Okay. So he called it the water park. So we are on our way to the water park with little Messiah. He wants to go to the water park so bad. So we are driving through. Where is this now, babes? Manor Park. Basically, it is. So we are going up Stony Hill side. That's the water park we are taking him up the hill. So let's see how that water park.
Water park on my house. Where is okay?
Let's see. It look beautiful from the view that I view it on YouTube. It looks beautiful and everything, but let us see now. Let us see. So stick and stay with us as we make our way to the water. What, Messiah? To the water park, and he loves water. So that's a little secret about Messiah. He loves water. He's a water baby. But on the other hand, he don't want to bathe. But he love water. Strange, right? Strange, right? That is so strange. But anyways, stick and stay with us. And you know Mr. Myers is around the wheel of steel as usual. So let me give you a glimpse of him. And the sky is beautiful as usual. For those who haven't seen the sky in a while, if you watch my video, you will always see your girl is showing the sky, right? This beautiful, beautiful, amazing sky. All right. So there's Mr. Myers and little Messiah. Can I find him? Can the camera find Messiah? Hi, Messiah.
Hello.
Where are you going? The water is, you just tell me it's a water park. How you dumbstruck now? Okay. So that's little Messiah. I don't know what is wrong with him, but yeah. Giving you some more of the beautiful sky, the lovely, lovely sky. And it is sunny and beautiful here in Jamaica. How is it in your neck of the wood? So Saturday is normally for Mr. Myers and I, but you know, this Saturday is not for me anymore alone. It is for Mr. Myers and Messiah and the intruder, as Mr. Myers called it.
Messiah is an intruder.
So this Saturday is not busy as usual, but I mean, I don't know, probably we're early, too early, so when I say the place busy yet, like bees, people out and about selling and all of that. You know, it's a Saturday, and you know Saturday is when most people do them hustling. Yeah. Persons will sell from Friday to Sunday, and you have some persons who, they just hustle on a Saturday, you know, them just go do some hustling. So, yeah man, stick and stay with us, guys. I'm out. Guys, you know, I wake up early and prepare some curry shrimp for Messiah. He loves curry shrimp. Yeah, you woke up late.
I always wake up late.
So you have something you want to tell them? What you want to tell them?
Subscribe to my grandma's cooking channel. She's the best cook
Ever.
Subscribe to my grandma's cooking channel. She's the best cook ever.
Okay, when grandma cook the food is delicious.
Yes,
Okay. Hmm? Oh. You're talking the bus? Or the one that just turned? Oh. Just giving you a view of how beautiful Jamaica is and the lovely, lovely home that we have out here. And not to mention the beautiful sky. See that lady facing at the sun? Now it's starting to look like Saturday. There's a fruit vendor. Yeah. Now it's starting to look like Saturday. So there's a Rasta man selling his thing. Yeah man, it's starting to look more like Saturday now. This is what I'm talking about.
Also starting to get cold.
Wow.
Why is it so cold?
Outside. We are
It's a mountain.
right on top of the hill.
This is not a mountain, this is a hill.
So you know guys, we are the best, right? This is a man carrying, I guess this is feed. Probably for his chicken or something. And he has it on his neck. Jamaican I best, you know man. So what we do? No sir. The road is narrow though. The dogs them, wow. Right in the road. Right in the road. No sir.
Dogs are always on our road.
Wow.
Dogs are always on our road.
Yeah. It's a lot of dogs. Wow, look how beautiful Jamaica is, guys. Wow, that view is something to die for. The view.
Yo.
So we are going through this bridge here.
There's a little something down there.
Yep.
Hey, there's a truck behind me.
Whoa. So we finally reach. And guess what? The place is fruitful. People may say, much I can't even talk. Me say, these are some beautiful, beautiful flowers, guys. Wow. I know what makes them incredible and beautiful. They are all different colors. Different colors of the rainbow. This one is really beautiful. Shaped like a pine. You see that pine thing on it? I don't know what is the name of any of these, but all I know, they are really, really beautiful. Watch Mr. Myers, I don't know what him I look for. People, the place is full, the place is jam-packed, can I tell you? Mighty Jesus, when we just came this morning, the place was so empty. Oh Lord, you want to see the place now? Crazy. Real crazy.
They load the board and everything. See sign, one sign.
Yeah. Me see coconut, me see jackfruit. The amount of, oh God, man. Amount of something what me see. Whoa.
Have a drive one.
Up the hill.
The hills? The car stuck?
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Wow. All right. Wow. The place is beautiful, quiet but beautiful. Hear the birds singing. That is what we experience every morning at our window, the birds them singing.
Mama, what are these?
What?
Look at that big one. He's resting his foot.
What type of bird you have?
Yellow name.
What is it? What's the name?
Yellow name.
Okay.
I have a parrot yellow name.
Alright, let's see if we can get some.
If I read.
We did see them when we go down, when we are come up. Guys, let's go. See, have your friendly dog. So yes guys, we have just arrived at this beautiful place that I have been telling you about, and I am going to check in. You have to make a reservation. I don't know if you can come in, like walk in and get through, I don't know, but you have to make a reservation. So we did make our reservation for our grandson, which is little Messiah, that has been killing me to go to the water park. So we are here and I am going to just check right in. The place is really beautiful, lovely. I love it already, and we haven't been anywhere. All right, here's the. All right, come, babes. Hello. How much is it now? $3,000. Three, right? Messiah, can you come? You have money to pay? You have money to pay? I should give you the money, right? Okay. So do we get an armband or no? Okay. So Messiah get his wish fulfilled. He has been bugging me. Grandma wants to go to the water park. Grandma wants to go to the water park. Now he's here. Look at him.
So you're talking about his business.
I'm talking your business? Okay. And he wants to go all over the place already. Alright, come. Come with your little hands. Thank you. Put your hand, Messiah.
That's so short.
Tiny.
Enjoy yourself today.
Okay.
Thank you.
Come back around this side here.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Please enjoy. All the best for today.
Okay.
I want to go there first.
Where you want to go first? So Messiah just can't, Messiah just can't wait. He's just killing me. I want to go to the playground. So he's there going down. And you have to go down the step here. Beautiful place. So this is it. This place is hide away in the beautiful parish of St. Andrew. To be exact, Stony Hill. So there is the beauty. Ooh. Wow. All I can say is wow. And there's a lot of stuff for the children. There's a play area. There's a play area. What do you call this thing again? This is swing song?
Seesaw.
Seesaw. Okay. So this is a seesaw. For those who remember seesaw, this one look like it is a modern seesaw. I don't know. Yes, it is a modern one. Because normally we would have just use a piece of wood. All right. I think I want to change my side clothes though.
No,
Alrighty,
I
so
don't want to play. I want to play on the playground.
giving you a 360, a 360. Beautiful, beautiful Jamaica. I don't know, probably if you see this property, you will think that this property is a home. The way how it has been set up, and it is really, really beautiful, beautiful. Very, very beautiful. I can't believe that something is around this side for this long and we did not know of it. But anyway, my mother used to say better late than never. So we know about it now. So yeah. So we will be always taking Messiah whenever time he wants to come. Very beautiful. I can't stop stressing that. Very beautiful. So that's the view of the place. So I am going to speak with someone about the place to, just to tell me a little more about it, just to enlighten me a little more about this beautiful, beautiful place here. What I can say that I really love is the sign. They are telling you, look at that, read that sign, slippery when wet. So when the place is wet, you have to be extra, extra careful. Hold on to the handrail. Do not run, right? So these signs, they are put in place to help us. These signs are put in place for safety and to help us to keep more safer. All right, so I really appreciate that. I can say I appreciate that already. I don't know, Messi, I don't want his clothes to change. Him just want do his thing. He wants to play. He's very playful, but don't want to talk when somebody is talking to him. So apart from I appreciate the beautifulness of this place, I also mentioned that I can appreciate the sign put in place for our own safety.
And this.
Sure. Are you happy that I take you here? Are you happy? So you want to eat? So when are you going to eat?
Never.
When are you going to eat something?
Never.
Really? The view is breathtaking. The view is really, really lovely. I can say. And remember, guys, we breathe in oxygen and we let out the carbon dioxide. And I mean, you see the whole heap of tree, the green trees, them. Oh my God, you know what they are producing. Wow. So guys, they have a kitchen here. You can rent the kitchen, or you can just bring your, whoops, whoa, that big bug. Whoa, guys, see the bugs, I'm always afraid of, Lord Jesus. Mighty God, where is? So as I was saying, there's a kitchen area. You can rent the kitchen. It is lovely, clean, and I like the wooden chair, the wooden table. It is beautiful, guys. So you can rent the kitchen area to cook, to do your cooking and all of that. So you can walk with your food, walk with your chicken. You can jerk your chicken, cook your rice and peas. Fry your dumpling, your ackee, your saltfish. The kitchen area is huge. It's a big space. And then there's another area up here. It is a seating area. And You don't have to rent the kitchen to come and sit and eat in the kitchen if you carry your food. There's a little bird. Those birds always sing in the morning at our windows. So there's the next area all the way up there. So let me walk you through to show you how beautiful this place is. So yes, guys, you have a seating area up here, and you also have a restroom as well. And you have this lovely, lovely swing. You know, when you enjoy yourself and your nyama, your belly full, and you just want to relax. Ooh, here is the swing. Mighty Jesus. So here is it. And groups of persons always come here. So you can come with your bus load, you can come with your group. It doesn't matter how huge your group is or how small your group is. The ultimate thing, the main thing is that you have to make a reservation, all right? You have to make a reservation, all righty? So let me show you guys the bathroom. Oh, let me show you the seating area. So that's the seating area there. And here is the bathroom and the changing room as well. And while I am here blogging, guys, a bus load of person just arrived. And it is pretty much early. So let's go down. Let's go back down to see the other areas. And what I noticed too, guys, remember I was telling you about the kitchen area. Alrighty, so this is a huge pot. You know, see how big that pot here is? This pot is very, oh, it's not a pot. I thought it was a pot. Alright, so here's a jerk pan. You don't have to worry about any pan. If you want to come and do your jerk chicken, remember we Jamaican, we love jerk chicken, jerk pork, jerk shrimp. Once you say jerky, you name it. You're talking about Jamaican people. So you don't have to struggle with your jerk pan. There is jerk pan here for you once you come here and you rent the kitchen. And you don't have to rent the kitchen to get the jerk pan. You can just rent the jerk pan alone as well. Alright, that's what I just spoke with someone and they told me. You can just get the jerk pan to rent. So if you want to just jerk some chicken or some shrimp or whatever it is that you want to jerk, you can just rent the jerk pan only. They provide that as well. Alrighty, so I'm going down to the another changing area to show you guys what has been happening with this place, how beautiful it is. I can't stop stressing on that. So let's go down to another area. So this is really huge. You pick a spot, babes? All right, so we are going down to the pool. Wow. So this place is really huge, guys, really huge. So this is another area that I'm going. I'm going to the pool area to be exact. And the place is surrounded by the green luscious trees and the flowers. So this is another seating area as well. So what I noticed, they have a lot of seating area. So that is what I love. You know, you don't have to fight for no space or anything. There's a lot of seating area. Yep. So babes, grab that little cozy part here. So this is where we are going to stay, I presume. And this is really lovely. So we are at the garden hut. There it is.
There are pets down there.
Okay.
I want to go.
There are pets. Oh, you can go down there.
I know the one that counts.
Wow, the
Oh,
view,
that's
the view, the view. Can I tell you about the view? Ooh. See with me, our people. Jamaica is very beautiful. Jamaica is very beautiful. There are some beautiful, beautiful places for us to visit, you know. Mighty God. Hello. So I say not waiting on us, you know. Look at him. Don't want to change his clothes, you know. Alright, so let me take you around to the pool. And changing room is, I wouldn't say everywhere, but changing room is down here. Changing room is up there where we are coming from. Changing room is, let me just say, everywhere. So no need to be waiting in long line to get here to change or to, you know. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Can I tell you? So I'm going around to the pool area. So I know this is where Messiah want to go. So this is the pool area. All right, so this is the beautiful pool area. And you know, as usual, anywhere the pool is, you know, they have their rule, right? So this is the pool rule as usual, guys. You don't know the rules of pool already. Messiah, are you ready to change? So I noticed probably there's another road across from here because I'm seeing persons walking on the road over there. So this is the pool area. Cozy, comfortable. So this is another seating area that is close by to the pool. This is it. Huge. As I said, guys, you don't have to worry about seating area, you know, because the place have a lot of seating area. The place is huge, wonderful, lovely place. It's the first we are coming here, and I would come back again. Would I come back tomorrow? Would I come back every day if I have the time? What I love is that the flowers, they have a lot of flowers and a lot of green tree, the greenery. Oh no, I love the greenery already. Although I'm afraid that the little insects them that comes with it. That's a wasp. All right, so there are some lovely seats over there, and there is the changing room. Guys, changing room is everywhere. Can I tell you?
Grandma, come sit with me.
Everywhere. The place is huge. So come and visit. If you haven't visited already, please come on down
Let's
and
go up
visit.
there.
Give it some support. This place is really beautiful, and we want them to keep up the place. So continue to come, continue to visit. Alrighty.
Grandma, let's go up there.
And I tell you about Jamaica and food, people, food plant everywhere. Food they everywhere. Look at those bananas. Just thriving on their own. Don't need any care, you know. No care. Them just thriving on them own. Rainfall. So them get the water. Nobody has to water them. Come on, this is Jamaica. Beautiful, beautiful Jamaica. Yeah. When you're taking a vacation, come to Jamaica. You will enjoy yourself. Yup. Plan, guys, and everything will be alright. So that's the beautiful pool, and I am leaving the pool area now. And they have that little part there that you slide. I think that is for the children. Them, I don't know if we big, everybody adult can go in it too. Okay, you know, sometimes as an adult, you know, the little child come out in you. So, I don't know. Let's see if we can slide in it as well. Alrighty. So, I am going to check out another area. Because, as I say, guys, the place is huge. The place is beautiful. Let's go check out another area, right? Come along with me. Come along, Messiah, come along. Thank you, guys.
The water is deep.
The water is deep. So we are going to check out another area. So we are leaving the pool area. As soon as I change you, give me some time. So I come back up to see Mr. Myers eating chicken. I don't know him help himself, people.
He's eating all of my food.
Yes.
Bone is good. Bone is good. Strip is a bone good.
Bone is good. Alright, let me see if I can change little Messiah and get him ready. So that water is going. Let me show you where that water leads to.
Leads to that river.
It leads to
I am definitely
the
not
fish.
swimming
Alright, let
in
us
that.
go down.
I am not swimming in those fish.
You can't, no, you can't swim in that one. That one is called a pond, and that's where they keep fish, or fishes rather, because it is more than one.
Can we go see?
Yes, we can. Woo!
What is that? Turtle!
Those are some beautiful fishes.
Turtle.
And fish relax the mind, you know, people. It relax the brain, it relax the mind. Fish is what I love. Fish is my pet.
What about the turtle?
Oh, there's a little turtle. I didn't see him. Let me zoom in. He's swimming as well. There he is. Hope you guys can see that.
I want to go catch him.
You can't catch him. It is more than one turtle.
Huh?
It is more than one.
I don't think I see him.
Alright, so these
Oh, I
fish,
see
they are
him right there.
huge.
He's hiding under there.
Oh, that one is huge. I don't think they're going able to see that. What I love, the place is surrounded by the green, luscious trees.
Mama, can they breathe in water?
Yes, they can. So let us go to another area, guys. So let's go, Messiah.
And the turtles
So this
breathe
is also a
everywhere?
seating area. Comfortable.
Nature view.
Nature
I don't want
view.
nature.
And that's a huge comfortable swing. Beautiful. So that's look like another area that has been constructing as well. As I said, they have a lot of seating area.
How do I go on it?
Come, don't go on it. Don't go on it as yet. They have a lot of area, guys. Seating area. Which is beautiful because you know when Jamaica go for sport, you know, the place full.
I already went to those.
I guess these are what, ducks?
Those aren't ducks.
What are those?
I don't know.
Another area, another seating area, and it is called Rock Zone.
What's in it? Why is there a rock?
So the place is really beautiful, guys, and the place is really huge. And this is another pool. This is another pool area as well.
Grandma, what is that word?
So you can, you see, you can just choose any area you want to be, any area that you want to stay and relax for the rest of the day. You can choose it because you have a lot of option. There's more than one pool and there's more than one seating area, which is beautiful. I love that.
Mama, there's a bridge over here.
There's a bridge, so we're going to another area, and this pool area is fenced off, guys. It is called Secret Lagoon. Love it, love the name. Another seating area. Wow, and that's another seating area again. Wow, must have taken a lot to maintain this place. I love the sound of the water. That's why I love to go to river. That relaxes my mind when I hear the, you know, the rushing of the water. Can you read that sign for me? What that sign says? What that sign say? Chill vibes. I know it.
Bible.
Chill vibe. Oh, you hear him pronounce it properly than me? Alright. I don't know why it's taking so long. Alright. So this is another area, guys. Almighty Jesus. Why did I choose to carry Messiah at this place? Messiah, why did I choose to carry you? This is a lovely place, people. A lovely place. If you haven't visited here as yet, please come on over, come and visit. This is another seating area. So you can cook up here, so? Oh, got the kitchen up there, so. Yeah. Look at Messiah. That's another area over there, Messiah calling me. Can you please come back? Come, let me check out this here. So can you tell me a little about this place? Can you tell me a little about the place? I know you're just at work, but you know? Oh, you just start. Alright, so I will leave him, guys. He just started. You know, when we just start a new work, you know it go. We not too know much about the place. So yeah. Alright, so this is another area. This is another area.
How many pools do they have?
A lot. So as I said, guys, you don't have to bungle up in one place. Everyone can choose where they want to stay and stay there. And no one to disturb you. Just a peaceful moment. So this is a slide. Wonder if your grandpa want to come down at this part here.
I'm going down the slide.
So you have this part here. Well, so guys, hope you enjoyed that little tour of the place. I have more place to show you though, so come along. We are leaving.
Leaving.
We are going out to another place to show you. Same place on the compound though. Don't I said it like I'm leaving now. I'm not leaving now. I know you guys understand, right? So I am at Strawn Castle Garden, the beautiful, beautiful Strawn Castle Garden. I know I haven't mentioned the name in my blogging, but it is Strawn Castle Garden. So if you haven't visited this place, please come on down and give it a visit. It is a beautiful, beautiful place. You will enjoy. There's no doubt that you will not enjoy yourself. You will enjoy yourself. I promise you guys. Strawn Castle Garden. Come down and give them a visit. You will not regret it. So let's move on to another place. Let's go. Alright guys, the place is full. So I am going up the water. Not the water park. I'm going up to the slide, Messai. Messai is up there. The pool is full. Wow. Just come in. You can go. Going up to the play area with him. He wants to. Going to the play area. I don't want to go into the pool as yet. What you want to go in?
Trampoline.
So you can go. Go. The place is full, guys. Hi, Messai. Remember when we just came, guys, the place was empty. Now the place is full. Trust me. I hear something. Was that you?
Huh?
You want me to come in the trampoline with you? I don't think so. I don't think adult can come in there. Yeah. Yes. Oh. Wow, you're having fun.
I can do two of them.
Okay. Are you having fun? Okay. Wow.
Oh!
The place is full, guys. Full, 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 full. And you see how early we come? Can you imagine we just a come now? Probably we wouldn't get the spot that we wanted.
Then my back is high.
So go high. Go high, high, high. As high as you want to go. I guess that is the tired look and that is the tired rest. You're tired? Are you tired? Lose a lot of energy. You want water now?
There's no current around here.
No, not put it in yet. No. It's about interrupted. So food time now, guys. So, you know, we're gonna get some food now.
And guess what?
It's working.
Yeah.
This is okay or more? More?
In case you say she want close up.
Close up on the food. Close up queen.
Yeah, advertise with some places and all do. And look here.
I turn it around in but I don't look at this.
And then if you give some sponsor, you come on. Alright.
I turn it around but I don't know what happened. So I know I get up early this morning, guys, and cook. Because I know we can't leave with food. Anywhere we go, we are taking our food with us. So I think this is nice. Oh. Messiah own. Here's the fork. You want carrot and tomato? Just stop and stop it.
Stop it.
Yeah, and then you're going to start it. You can stop it. Oh, I'm putting it on the wrong, putting the wrong thing on the wrong So this is Messiah plate. So you can, that's your,
Who's that? Messiah?
Messiah. Where's your nugget, babe? Here?
Something like that.
You mean see the like so? Yeah. I guess that is it. Alright, so let's just cover this back up. And guys, we will stack up Messiah love apple, so we make sure Messiah an apple.
Mango.
And then mango. This Indian mango, when last time you had this Indian mango, but you take it out, but you see it.
Abe.
You take it out.
Abe.
Alright, so we're going to dive in some food, you know. Each one the other. Yep, we're going to dive in some food, you know. So, Mr. Myers, take it away. Want to sit on this chair, Messiah? Come around. Hey, you know that's Messiah food right now.
For my
Mighty Jesus.
Lord, we thank you for sunshine. We thank you for you. We thank you for joy. We thank you for peace. We thank you, Lord, for your provision. As well as we do, what you have given us, we thank you in Jesus' name.
They start to pull up with you.
Is that the water? Is that the bathroom? That's the swimming?
He does too many now. And I carry him cap. But I don't think he need it.
You start learning to swim now?
Go for me.
Can you swim?
I can swim on the
Them
water.
don't like it.
You have to go with me. That's what YMCA. You know YMCA, they choose me now, what then? Over where? You can be the can jump.
Because them have a swim.
I can swim on the water.
So, instance, yeah? When do my parents come around?
Yes, start full of people. When we come, it was us alone.
Everybody know Miss Pally. First and the black.
Please pull up now. We hear noise and we are all the way up. Up, up, up. Hope you can eat up all that. If you want more shrimp, you can let me know, alright? Place is full up, guys. And you know we come early, really early.
I'm not finished.
So we catch this little gazebo here. The place is full right about now.
What?
I remember I tell you that the place is big, the place is huge. And a lot of persons are here. Wow. Going back down. A lot of noise. Eesh. Whee. So the place is really full. This is how we have fun. This is how Jamaican have fun. He did. Oh, he didn't secure it. He just good. So you're secure. All aboard. And think it is the one that when he went to wow. Which one? Oh, let me swing with him. The rain is dewing. I feel that. Hi.
What's up, Doc?
Whoa. Whoa. Your one is going really fast. Can I get a swing? Can I get a swing? Who's going to give me a swing? No, you stay. Because you have to take him out, you know, he's really short.
Go like this, go like this.
Messiah, your foot cannot touch the ground. But, woo, I'm pumping myself.
Yeah, that's how you do it. And Messiah is doing greater than you.
Pump.
Messiah is winning. Messiah is winning. Win, Messiah.
No.
Messiah is winning. Look at that.
Don't tell me
Our
that.
grandson is winning. No.
I'm not
Woo.
going to pump because I want to stop now.
No, Messiah getting the grand prize. Messiah getting the grand prize.
What do you want?
Woo.
What do you want?
Messiah win poor grandma. Grandma is losing, so grandma want to stop. Poor grandma. Grandma. Oh, easy, grandma.
Woo! Him jump out. I didn't even catch it, man. Catch something. So this is the children playground. So this is where the children have fun. So don't worry about the children. Carry them come. What is the name of this one? Oh yeah. I know the old time one. That's why I didn't recognize it. That funny sound. Pool lively, man. I go down a pool. Pool lively. That one, right? Let's see how skilled you are. Let's see how skilled Messiah is. Oh, he climbed over the bar already.
Wait on grandma right here.
All right.
Wait. Go on your nose.
So slide. And there he goes. Okay.
Sorry, like the rain. Somebody is nasty. Somebody would like to bathe.
Yes, he exactly. Wow. I know you know, Messiah. Alright, let's. Huh? Go on. Go, Messiah is a scaredy cat. The place is full and Messiah gets scared. You say you want to go in the pool and now I carry him. Him say no. See him there? So go, we're going back up. Go. You can go. So I am going to the bathroom to get a view of the bathroom. So this is the bathroom, big, spacious, and clean. And then a person uses the bathroom, they're using the pool and using the bathroom. Mind the little wet that you see on the floor. So that is it for the bathroom area. Should have been a capture it, you know, but
If you did earlier, see?
yeah,
Then dance and do them nice things.
mighty God. So I was lucky to see I don't know if it's a party or it's a wedding, but the people them really dress up and come out. So I don't know what to say. I don't want to be false or being intuitive to go and ask them what is happening. So most likely when you guys watch it, you probably really take, is it a wedding or a party? I really don't know. You tell me in the comment. So hey guys, I am here with the lovely lady Bianca, and she's going to tell you a little bit about, and listen, she's not going to stay long because the place is really busy, so she's going to just give you a little bit, tell you a little bit about the place. So over to you, my lady.
Afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming out and spending the day with us. A reservation is required to come and spend the day. Have a day pass. You can call us at 319-5434 or.
So Bianca is a, I don't know if she's a subscriber, but she has just revealed to me that she has been watching. She said, oh, when me say, she said, what is your name? I said, Polly. She said, me say, Polly from Polly's Kitchen. She said, you are Polly's Kitchen? So guys, I just meet a fan, and yeah. So over to you, Bianca.
Thank you so very much for coming and spending the day with us. Guys, what I want you to know, you have to make a reservation prior to coming by. You can send us a WhatsApp or give us a call at 319-5434 or 443-1847 or 323-5299. Or send us a WhatsApp, give us a call, come by, have your day pass, have your pallet picnic with the weddings, with the birthday parties, and with the corporate retreat. So just give us a call or send us a WhatsApp.
All right, so that is it. As I tell you guys, the place is really busy, so she won't be long with us. She just give us a little thing about the place, and the most important thing, you have to make a reservation. So this is where Messiah is going to slide. And I don't know, Messiah is afraid of the slide. He's going to slide anyway. This slide is really, really fast. And I was lucky to see more than one party going on. More than one birthday party, guys. So that is a 3 years old birthday party setting up. Cute. That's another. I don't know if it is a party or it is a baby reveal. I don't know. But yeah.
Okay, the slippers is right there. Go get the slippers.
Get the slippers. Rain is falling, so the children is scattering. Rain. God rain, we can't stop it. Jaja blessing. Myers don't go into the water, but I'm hungry again. I know him now waiting on people watch him. Him now waiting on. Messiah.
I'm the lifeguard.
He's a lifeguard for me and Messiah. You don't want to sit? What? Messiah enjoy himself. Final friend.
It's like surprising. Very fast, done.
Messiah is going to the pool again. Rain just fall, people, but the place is still full. And persons just come in. So this is a hiking trail, guys. So we are going on a little hiking.
Where?
Oh, you know I will. Walk inside of our way. Brilliant.
Okay, let's go here, Mr. Dave. Mr. Dave! Mr. Dave!
Exercise out the whole heap of food where we just yam. No, I think that lead you back to down there. I think this is it. Messiah turn to the right way. So that step bring you back down to where we're coming from. So we don't want to go where we are coming from. So we're gonna take this step here. That take you. Where's Messiah? Almighty Jesus. All I can tell you is this place is huge. That's all I can. Messiah? Messiah? So I thought this was. Do the dirt now, do the dirt.
No, we're having a dance contest.
You can't hold on of us?
Come, what I don't know.
My
I'm out.
Grandma, look.
I'm out.
Do the dirt. Do the dirt. Do the dirt.
I'm out with you guys.
Do the dirt.
Do the dirt, do the dirt, do the dirt. Do the dirt.
Do the dirt. Do the dirt.
Teach us how to do that.
Do the dirt. Do the dirt.
Who teach you to do that, Messiah? Messiah. Who teach you how to do that? Do the dirt.
Do the dirt.
Who teach you how to do that?
Grandpa did the dirt. Grandma did the dirt. Everybody did the dirt. Dirt. Bounce dirt. Bounce
Dirt, dirt. So there's a dance named Dirt. What if a ding dong? The dirt something there?
Grandma, look who you are.
Grandma.
Hmm? Oh, I didn't see that. Yeah, in it. All right, can I ask you, do it again, Messiah?
Huh?
Wait until Grandpa move. Can you move away? Let me see what he's doing. Do the flick for me again. Do that thing. Let me see. Do that thing. Oh.
Egg and spoon.
I can do it again.
Go again. Oh, you're so acrobatic. Speak up a little. Let me hear you.
Welcome.
Did you enjoy today, Messiah?
Yes, Grandma.
Okay.
Did you enjoy today?
Yeah.
Why? What makes it so enjoyable?
Because I was riding the roundabout and I got to sit in the trampoline. And I went climbing and I went on the seesaw. And I went in the pool and I went on the slide.
Wow.
Excellent. Wow.
That's a lot of fun.
Wow.
So what about the food? The food was good also?
And I ate mango.
What else did you eat?
No lunch?
What else?
Shrimp?
Shrimp and rice and chicken.
Ah. So today, you would say today is a great day. I can't hear you.
Love.
Yes, Grandma.
Would you come back?
Yes, Grandma.
Okay. All right. So over to Mr. Myers. What do you have to say about this little trip here that we took our grandson on?
It was a very, very good day. A day that started out kind of slow, but as we go along, it improved and we start to enjoy ourselves. And then Sai start to be himself and we start to enjoy. Sai even teach us how to do the dirt. Sai Sai is just a little bounce and just having a lot of fun. Sai Sai swim. I didn't know that Sai Sai could swim.
And flip and all those things.
And my, wow moment of the day was when Sai Sai go on the slide.
Slide, the
and
water
flip over
slide.
and woo! And it was so fast, he was so frightened. But he enjoyed, didn't you?
I did enjoy the slide.
You did enjoy the slide.
That one did I'm never going on that slide again.
No, don't say that.
Well, as for me today, it was really, really great. I am all about family and just having fun. You see, him can't wait. He's not ready. No? He's not ready. He's trembling and he still wants to stay in the pool. So as I was saying, guys, remember to like, share and comment. Like the video. Remember that it's like food to us. Sharing the video is like food to us. It helps us to go out and go all over Jamaica and show you our beautiful, beautiful island, Jamaica.
If you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscription.
Yeah.
We are part of this growing family. Okay, tell a friend to tell a friend.
To tell a friend.
Big up on yourself.
So we always appreciate you. And today I meet a subscriber, a fan of ours. Right? I was alone there. Mr. Maya was there. Mr. Maya was alone. In the gazebo, so it was me alone. So her name is Bianca. Big up to Bianca every time. Thank you for watching. We appreciate you. Much love to each and every one. Please remember to share.
See you to that piece.
Messiah.
Hey!
Oh, so when, so when you get up now, how I get up? Let me get up by myself. Let me get up. I'll show you how girls strong and big. Watch this now. You will it? Oh, let me see what happened.
Fits up.
Fits up. Much love to each and every one. Blessings, blessings to you all. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and if you are not yet a subscriber, what are you waiting on? Subscribe, subscribe. Blessings, blessings. Peace, and I'm out. See my side here, ackling with body. That's why we slim. So when him come about, him ackle with body, people. Yeah, man. You have to run up and down back at him. And when him play them ties them, him leave them in the house. So we step on them and slide on them. So that is Messiah. Peace, blessings. Right. Ride the horse, ride the horse, ride the horse, ride the horse. How much furlong? How much furlong?
Oh, it's flat out.
And my foot are on the back.
Yeah. Oh, whoopie-doopie-doopie-doo. Hey, hey, hey. Catch him, catch. Blessings, blessings, peace, guys. We are out.
Touch it up, touch it up.
Rope climbing. Let's see if you can climb to the top. Let's see who can climb to the top. Let's see about this one, guys. Let's see who can climb to the top. How you make grandpa winning you? Are you gonna make grandma win you as well? I did it. Where are you? Where's my son?
What can the rest of them?
I'm not going. I'm not going on the other side. I'm not going on the other side. Sorry, guys. I'm not going. I ain't going on the other side. Mr. Myers is fitter than me this time. Oh, I'm not seeing you. Wow. So he make it to the top and he go all the way over to the other side. Wow. Come, let's give him a clap. Great. Come, clap him. He's dying now. He's dying now. Oh, great job. Muscles, muscles. Russell muscle and all. Let me see if I have any. Well, no, I don't have any. Ladies don't have muscle. Well, we have a little, but we mostly carry fat. Where's my sign? Mesa is back in the trampoline and I'm not having it with him this time because the rain is falling. So Mesa, let's go. We are going to the gazebo. These are some beautiful, beautiful flowers, guys. Wow. I know what makes them incredible and beautiful. They are all different colors. Different colors of the rainbow. This one is really beautiful. Shaped like a pine. You see that pine thing on it? I don't know what is the name of any of these, but all I know, they are really, really beautiful. Watch Mr. Myers, I don't know what him I look for. People, the place is full, the place is jam-packed, can I tell you? Mighty Jesus, when we just came this morning, the place was so empty. Oh Lord, you want to see the place now? Crazy. Real crazy.
Have you loaded door and everything? See sign, one sign.
Yeah.